Every baker who's ever loved this work has asked the same quiet question. Could this be more than a home kitchen in a dream? We asked it too. Back when proof was one oven in a garage, a starter we kept alive since 2010, and $15,000 we weren't sure we'd ever see again. What we learned taking it from that garage to the 5 bakeries we have now and our own stone flour mill, we're not keeping it to ourselves. We are 9 years in, and this is the most complicated country sourdough that we've ever made. The whole point of an experience like this is all of you get to fast forward. This is the Proof Intensive. For one weekend, 3 days here in Phoenix at our main bakeries, we are opening every door. Guys, really quickly, this is a valuable lesson for all of you. This is how we do our inclusions. The milling, I want to make a whole wheat rouge Bordeaux. I don't feel any kind of grittiness, even though it's a whole wheat flour. The mixing. This guy is definitely ready. Notice that it's a pumpkin. The shaping.
Right here, I'm just going to roll it once more so that that seal is on the bottom.
The lamination. When dealing with butter that's not cooperating, it's important to keep sheeting and not refrigerate. Business workshops.
What we really rely on is connection. And that was a lesson for us in demographics and how much that matters.
Also the farmers markets that put thousands of new faces in front of us every month. This is the foundation of Proof right here. A lot of the people that discovered us 9 years ago are still shopping with us today. We'll go through the parts that most bakers are never taught. How to price your work, how to grow without losing what made it yours.
We try to keep that balance between machines and human, because I never want to have just a production line.
And how to build a team so the whole thing doesn't rest on you alone. Most importantly, when the work is done, we sit down together. Bread, local food, and a room full of people who understand exactly why you do this.
My name is Jenny. I am one of the co-owners of Shea Cheese. We didn't always know our profession. We had to learn. Like I'm sure most of you did when you decided to do bread.
You arrive as a stranger, you leave as part of a cohort that has your back long after you go home. Our summer's sold out. This January, we're doing it again. We'll take 20 bakers, that's all. And the seats are open now. The Proof Intensive. Come find out how far your bread can take you.